I am Professor Toyfode SK, Assistant Professor of Department BBA Mola Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College Sonai. Today's topic on Python programming. Chapter 1st, Introduction to Python. Introduction. Python is high-level interpreted and object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language means that supports various classes, objects, inheritance and polymorphism concept. Python is popular programming language because it provides more reliability of code, clean syntax of code, language features to object-oriented programming, broad standard library, easy to learn and read and support GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Some common application of Python programming. First application is Google's App Engine Web Development Framework uses Python as an application language. Second application, powerful integrated 3D modeling and animation systems. Third application, Google makes use of Python in its web search systems. Fourth application, the popular YouTube video sharing service is largely written in a Python programming. The features of Pythons. The various features in Python. First feature is a simple and easy learn. Simple and easy learn means Python is easy to use and high level language. Thus it is a programmer friendly language. Second feature, interpreted and interactive language. Interpreted means Python is interpreted language, that is interpreter executes the code line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy. This suitable for beginners. Third features, cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh, etc. This Python is a portable language. Fourth feature, free and open source. Free and open source means Python language is freely available. The source code is also available, therefore it is open source. Fifth features, object oriented language. Object oriented language means Python that supports various class, object, inheritance, polymorphism concept. Next feature, extensible. Extensible means it implies that other language such as C, C++ can be used to compile the code and thus it can be used further in your Python code. 7 features, large standard library. Large standard library, Python has a large and broad library, that is called large standard library. Next topic, application of Python. Application of Python, various application is used in Python programming. First application is web application. Web application means we can use Python to develop web application. It provides libraries to handle internet protocols such as HTML, XML and JSON, etc. Second application, GUI based desktop application. GUI based desktop application means graphical user interface based application. Python has a simple syntax, modular architecture, rich text processing tools and the ability to work to multiple operating systems, which make it desirable choice for developing desktop based application. Third application, software development. Software development, Python is helpful for software development process. It works as support language and can be used for build control and management, testing, etc. Next application, console based application. Console based application, we can use Python to develop console based application, for example JPython, etc. Next application, audio or video based application. Python is awesome to perform multiple tasks and can be used develop multimedia application. Some of real application are time player, cplay, etc. Next application of Python, application for images. Application for images, using Python several applications can be developed for image applications. Developed are VPython, ImageSeq, etc. Next application, education. Python is a superb language for teaching programming both at the introduction level and in more advanced courses. That is application of Python. Next concept is installing Python. How to install in Python in your PC? There are several steps. First step is open any internet browser. Then type http://www.python.org. Then next download in address bar and enter. The home page will appear. Second step, click on download to get the latest version of Python. Step number 3, once Python version is downloaded, in this case 3.9.6, open the Python 3.9.6 version pack and double click on install now option to start installation. Step number 4, when installation of start, it shows setup progress as shown. Step number 5, after complete the installation, click close button to finish installation. Thank you.